Gabuya, Yvette C. Ulta 22E25. Criminal Evidence, Chapter 5. What is burden of proof? Burden of proof, also called as burden of persuasion or onus probandi, is the duty of party to present evidence of fact in issue necessary to establish his claim or defense by amount of evidence required. What is burden of evidence? Burdens of evidence, also called as onus evidentiae, is the burden going forward with evidence. The difference between burden of proof and burdens of evidence. Burden of proof never shift. It remains with the party upon who is it exposed, while burden of evidence shift from party to party depending upon exigencies of the case in course of trial. Presumption. Presumption is the rule of law stating that because a basic fact exists, it is an inference as the existence of fact actually known as or conjective past experience, as which course human affairs ordinarily take. Two classes of presumption: presumption juris or presumption of law, presumption Jimenez or presumption of fact. Two basic fact of legal presumption. Conclusive presumption is one who cannot be rebutted by any counter evidence. 2. Disputable presumption. Presumption by which suffice until object is contradicted or overcome by other evidence. Conclusive presumptions. Example: that is not allowed to be contradicted. Example: judicial admission. That effect to which overwhelm any evidence to contrary. Example: DNA result of paternity. Types of disputable presumption. A. A person is innocent of a crime wrong. B. The unlawful act is done with unlawful intent. C. The person takes ordinary care of his concern. D. The money paid by one another due to latter. E. The thing delivered by one to another belong to latter. E. The thing delivered by one to another belong to latter. F. The obligation delivered up to divorce has been paid. G. That the duty has been regularly performed. H. That the private transaction has been fair or regular. I. That the ordinary pace or business has been followed. J. There is sufficient consideration of contract. Who can contest the legitimacy of a child born? Only husband can contest the legitimacy of a child born to his wife. Doctrine of res ipsa loquitur. Doctrine res ipsa loquitur is a Latin phrase which literally means the thing or transaction speaks for itself.